Guess what we saved? We saved
Aww.
a body. Look at that. Hey, Dad.
You can still record, can you?
Okay, I am. That body is so.
So this is the wild. This is the wild bird that we found in our chimney
Yeah,
that cannot fly yet.
it's right there. Yeah.
So
There's a hawk. Right there.
we think.
It's a hawk.
I don't know what kind of bird it is. I don't know birds.
It looks like a hawk to me.
So
It looks like a baby bald eagle.
it looks like a damn dragon to me, but it's not a dragon. So,
Yeah.
try to give it a couple of these wormies.
Yes, he does. But he or she wouldn't eat them.
Yeah, we have a bird. We tried super hard.
There's its drink.
Now we need.
There it
I
is.
mean, I don't know how to raise a bird, but here goes some water.
And some food.
That's the only thing I had available. I'm improvising. I'm trying to save the damn bird. So
Yeah.
you always after messing with a bird, you definitely want to wash your hands and
Yeah.
scrub them up really good.
Like if you're wearing a glove,
You don't have to that much.
Yeah.
but you do still have to. In case if it touched your arm, your wrist.
Well, our glove goes up to here.
Don't hold a bird with your hands.
Yeah, you could use a glove and put it onto your finger.
Yeah.
If you have one of those long gloves, you put an adult hawk onto your arm. One of those long gloves.
Look at that.
We saved the bird, actually.
I can't believe it. I'm jumping so much.
Looks like it's 30 days old.
This bird has been
Looks like it's 20.
tweeting for like 12 or like a month.
Yeah, he's been tweeting. It looks like he's 42 days old because you know how old birds can
Fans, I have a joke. He's been tweeting.
Until we got him out.
Can you get it? You know how you tweet with your friends?
And this isn't a joke.
They seem wounded on the ground. Your guts.
Yeah, it's cute.
Guys, just look at the eyes. They look so adorable.
I had no clue.
Look, just look at them.
So cute. And also, guys,
Yeah, you should.
the bearded dragon's got a bigger cage.
You want to take a nappy?
I'm into the bird more. He's so cute.
Daddy, where did I put my other thing?
You want to take a nap? You want some babonka?
I think he's shy.
Dad, where did you put my one thing?
He looks like a baby bald eagle.
Those cars.
Or an eagle.
Can't.
What? It still looks like one. But it's,
So your old man looks like a bald eagle?
well,
Don't do that.
we think it's a
Hey, don't do
hawk.
that. Uncle Mike made those.
It looks like a hawk.
I'm chewing the wrench.
I think he likes it in that spot. Aiden.
1 second.
Hey, hey, Barry. He's so cute. He's so cute. He's so cute. That's what I was trying to say. Yeah, he looks so cute. Like if he does. Ooh, he's so cute. Like if he's cute.
Well, you want to see the bird?
Like.
That's right there.
Yeah. James, the bird is gonna say thanks for watching. Tweet, 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 tweet. He said thanks for watching, guys. Can y'all subscribe? I think he said that.
Wait, guys.
You don't have to subscribe if you don't want to.
Guys.
But also, guys, like and subscribe for the birds.
And guys.
It was stuck in our chimney. Yeah, guys, remember to subscribe for the bird if you're new. and like for the bird. If he's cute. I don't know if I got it on camera right there. But he's so cute. So peace out, guys.
No. Guys, I found down that one bud thing. It was exactly like that bud.
Guys, like, comment, and subscribe. If that bird is cute.
Yeah.
We
you
just-
already have a pet bird.
We just saved him. So,
It's that is all the way
Peace
down there.
Mom and Dad. Peace out, guys. And
Blah, blah, blah.
why do you always say
Hey,
that?
I'm gonna clean some of this stuff up.
Yeah.